Welcome back. Summer vacation is officially here, and we are unplugging from those devices and having fun in the sun with DIY expert Denise Wild. Denise, welcome to the show.
Good morning, Rick. Thank you for having me.
We have lots of things to have fun with today.
Yes, absolutely. We're going to keep kids busy, keep them learning, and, have them, summer's all about fun.
All right, there's lots to play with here. Where are we going to start?
So let's start off with some kits where everything is included. You don't have to think as a parent. Just pick something up where everything's together.
Okay.
Now, I don't know if you've heard of these. These are Magnetiles. These are a favorite to build. But basically, Staples Canada has brought back That Was Easy.
Okay.
And these activity kits, games, are just make kids. They give us a great way to have screen-free fun all summer long while kids are learning, while kids are playing.
Using their imagination as well.
Exactly. So Magnetiles, Crayola, Lego.
I built a ramp.
Yeah, exactly. I love it. Perfect for your cars. You can shop the Kids Learn and Play section at your local Staples Canada.
Okay, awesome.
Or you can also shop online at staples.ca.
How many pieces come in these
different
things?
options. Well, it depends on what kit you're buying.
Okay.
But the idea is that you're looking for something where everything's included. You don't have to do a lot of different things. So, everything's together and then you can set kids free.
That sounds like hours of fun. So do balloons.
Exactly. Okay, so our next activity is going to be balloon tennis, DIY tennis. Okay. So I have paper plates here, and you're going to glue on the back either a jumbo popsicle stick or a paint can, like a paint stir stick that you get with the paint cans.
All right.
And you're creating your own mallet. So yeah, perfect.
Boom.
We'll do that. We'll glue that on. Let's do this one too.
Pink and purple.
And then you'll blow up some balloons. And then this is great for the kids to just have a little bit of fun. I use hot glue so it dries really fast.
So this is like balloon pickleball. Oh, look out! Come on, Denise, bring it!
I don't know the pickleball rules yet. I haven't learned yet, but it is on my list.
Okay, that is great. And these, we built those in like 3 seconds.
Exactly.
And this is hours of fun too, and safe for inside.
Right, exactly. And inexpensive. You probably already have these things at home.
Yeah. So when it's like 45 with the humidity, this is a great indoor activity.
Right, definitely. Keep those kids inside when it's too hot.
Yes. Okay, we have some food here
so
as well.
next up, let's get kids active in the kitchen. They love helping out, and they're more likely to eat things once they've participated in making them. So I've got these great macaroni and cheese bites. Basically, it's macaroni and cheese, but you're baking it in a muffin tin. So great, easy to make, fun to eat. I made these using Catelli's new Protein Plus pasta, which has 17 grams of protein per serving from chickpeas, peas, and lentils. It has that same great classic pasta taste that your family will love. Picky eaters won't tell the difference. And, it's just such a great way to build up that your snacks and to get that plant-based protein in there.
And it's mac and cheese. Every kid loves mac and cheese. You can try different cheases depending on your child's taste buds.
Absolutely. Whatever recipe you want. These are great packable lunches if your kid's off to camp too.
Yeah, awesome. Okay.
And finally, we have some activity dice.
Okay.
So this is you spin it, you roll it, and you can find, it'll look like this when you search for it online. So basically, if you go to do a Google search for printable activity dice, it comes out looking like this paper. You cut it out looking like this.
Nice.
And then I'm going to have you fold this up.
Okay.
And we will create our own dice, and they're just little actions on it. Yeah. You can tape it, you can glue it.
And what's the website again?
Well, you can find it. It's just a free
just
image
go to
search.
Your search engine
Just any search, and you'll find.
We got 1 minute.
This, or you can create your own.
Okay.
So.
I like the create your own idea. But what are we doing
exactly.
here? We're jumping.
You can jump.
We're stomping.
You can waddle.
We're skipping.
You can gallop.
Is there sleeping on this dice?
Yeah, exactly.
Napping.
That's the parent version. That's the parent version. But I do love that Netflix and nap, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just for the TV purposes, we'll just tape it up.
Waddling, flapping your wings.
But basically, you're looking for fun things to do with the kids. Keep them busy. Keep them learning. Keep them playing. Keep them eating healthy. And
this is something that they could tape as well to keep them busy too, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Your kids will have.
What do we got here?
Help your kids
squatting and hopping. Denise, you squat. I hop.
I'll squat at the same time.
We got to go. Thank you for coming in and bringing all these amazing tools and toys, and all the links on our website, ch.com/morninglive.
Happy summer!
Oh no, not the lights. Here we go.